Hello, friends, and my fellow gardeners. I've been thinking what I'm going to plant this year. The month of March is the best time to start sowing seeds outside as the weather starts warming up. The vegetables that you can plant are arugula, asparagus, beets, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, carrots, chives, collards, faba beans, kale, kohlrabi, lettuce, onions, parsley, peas, potatoes, spinach, Swiss chards, turnips, and radish. Better yet, start your seeds early inside your house if you have grow light so that you can harvest before the hot weather comes. The seed potatoes are the first thing that I plant at the start of the season, as they are buried under the ground about few inches, maybe 6. Then they're protected from the winter weather. Chinese cabbage is the spinach, Swiss chard, mixed colors. I'm doing now the lettuce, the merlot, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. This year I have Cascadia, Little Marble, and Sugar Snap peas to plant. I take advantage when the seeds are on sale, especially at the end of the year or during winter season. You can soak your seeds overnight and plant them the next day. The depthness is 1 to 1/2 inch and 2 inches apart. I also plant garlic as companion plant to certain plants. Garlic is a good companion plant to tomatoes, peppers, brassicas like cabbage, broccoli, and other plants. Garlic repels pests like beetles, caterpillars, aphids, snails, slugs, and others. But do not plant garlic with asparagus, sage, parsley, peas, and beans. You can plant the onion seeds, seedlings, or the sets. Before planting, I'm going to trim the tip of the onion set, this part, just a little. This is the bottom portion, roots, so that the plant will grow more upright and focus on developing a robust root system. So you plant it this way. It's difficult to do it using one hand only. Plant the set about 1 to 2 inches deep. Four inches apart. I plant my onions among other plants like the strawberry as a companion plant. Merlot lettuce. Kindly like my video and subscribe to my channel. May all of us have a very good harvest this year.